Hello guys, today we're gonna have a quick look at the original Smoke 220W H-Priv mod kit, the silver color. Its material is stainless steel and glass. In the package there are two resistances, one 0.25 ohm and one 0.3 ohm. There is also one tank extension adapter and a replacement extra large glass for building 3.5 ml tank. The original tank is 2.5 ml. There is also a toe filling system, adjustable airflow control. The power range is from 6 to 220 watts. The voltage range is 0.35 to 8 watt. The temperature range is from 100 to 315. It works with dual 18650 batteries, which aren't included in the package. The connection threading of battery is 510 and you can upgrade the firmware via a USB port. However, you cannot charge the batteries via this port. There are also two other colors available, the black and the white edition. Here you can see the easy to read OLED display and its ergonomic design. Thank you for watching and so long.